I'm Brando Rosales of Motopinas.com. As you can see, ang dumigo. That's because we roamed around El Nido's finest off-road trails El Nido has to offer using the new CF Moto 450 MT adventure bike. This is actually a CF Moto's entry-level adventure bike. Of course, this is not the same unit that we used earlier, showing you guys some of the details of the CF Moto. Of course, they prepared us this nice spanking new and naka-detail pa na CF Moto. Pero, I mean, our shirt really tells na nagpakasaya kami lahat. Alright, so quickly lang. It's powered by a parallel twin 450cc engine. Of course, it's an open secret that CF Moto manufactures KTM's LC8 engine. This one, it has the feel of an LC8 engine. Engine roar, of course, it's a 450 but andun yung roar eh. Lalo na doon sa mga paahon namin kanina. And may mga sections na kailangan ng power. If you ask for power, bibigyan ka na ng power. Also, being a dirt bike rider, I used to own a CRF 250L dirt bike. My opinion, this bike parang hindi nagkakalayo yung bigat nila eh. This is listed, I think, at 175 kilos. For those more or serious off-roaders, gusto nilang dalhin yung adventure bike nila, eto na yon. Shifter niya, baga ready na rin for off-roading. Ito, if you're in more road, ito pwedeng kabit. Pag off-road naman, tatanggalin para may mas makapit sa boots. Also, this version here is the high fender version. For those who are more into off-roading or extreme off-roading, this one prevents front wheel lock up. So, nga, the high fender, parang enduro bike na siya. The wheels, as you can see, it's quite similar to Pirelli's Scorpion STR tires. These wheels or rubber, the tires are from CST. Kanyang windshield, tataas manually. Pero yun nga, I mean, it's not that complicated. Tapos, handguards are standard. Sporty exhaust note. Brake levers, ano rin, natutupi din. So, pag nabagsak ka sa off-road or sa trail, hindi siya mababali. Ito yung pinaka-importante sa lahat din eh. Yung foldable side mirrors. So, if you're into adventure or off-road riding, yung pagtumba sa off-road, it's inevitable. Kumbaga, kahit nga sila Jarvis natutumba, yung pinakamagagaling na sa buong mundo yon. So pag natumba ka na nakalabas yung side mirrors mo, ang tendency, syempre, mababasag. This one, tutupi mo lang. So no need na, pag mag-off-road ka, no need na tanggalin pa. All you have to do is tutupi mo na lang. Adjustable suspension from Kayaba or KYB. So ako kanina, yung demo unit ko, nung unang first few kilometers nung off-road namin, matigas siya. So just a few clicks, actually. It's set at 11 clicks, hard. And then kinalahati namin. And then yun, mas gumanda for my weight and size rider. Mas gumanda yung laro niya. Also, low seat, I think it's 820 millimeters. The high seat version, para siyang enduro seat. So medyo mas pantay siya rito. And it's 870 millimeters. But for my height, I think I'm 5'6". Kaya naman, naka-high seat ako kanina. Yung demo unit na inassign sa akin, kayang-kaya naman sakyan. Di naman siya ganun ka-intimidating for me. My take here dito sa bagong CF Moto 450 MT, it's the ultimate budol bike. Alright? Gusto mong pabudol, sali ka ng FJ Moto Mountain Cross, FJ Moto Enduro, kung merong category ng pang 450, siguro kung papayagan to, this is it. For me, feeling ko, yung pakiramdam ko kanina ginagamit namin doon sa mga medyo technical na section ng trail, madali siyang i-manage yung weight niya. Hindi nagda-dive yung unahan na para mag-wash out ka. So kayang-kaya control. For me, hindi nagkakalayo yung character niya doon sa, or characteristics niya doon sa dati kong CRF 250L. But of course, ang pinagkakaiba is power, kasi yan nga, naka 450 ka na twin cylinder. So again, it's the ultimate budol bike. So reserve yours now.